Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you for coming back and watching another unboxing here on our channel. For today's video, we will be unboxing our May Lashybox. I'm so happy that I get my box early in the month so I can show you guys the full size box. They do offer different type of boxes, you guys. They have the glam box, I think. I will list all that in the description below. I don't want to make up boxes, but the one that I have is the full size box. So I received 4 lashes and also a makeup product or a beauty product. You know, it varies in different boxes. If this is the first time you watch this unboxing, my main focus in these videos are the lashes, the beauty products, and the makeup products. Unless they grab my attention, it's gonna be in a future giveaway. I already started a box, you guys, so I have a few things in there, mostly makeup and beauty products, but I do want to add lashes in there, so just hang tight, you guys. The giveaway will be coming soon. Just keep on coming back, you guys. If you enjoy unboxing and if you enjoy false lash unboxing, please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out. Please do give this video a thumbs up so I know you enjoyed contents like this, and please do turn on that post notification so you guys don't miss out on any of my unboxing, my future videos. So let's go ahead and see my May Lashybox. If this is the first time you've seen or heard of Lashybox, this is the box that they send you with your lashes and your makeup and your beauty products. This is what I have this month. So I have a palette and 4 lashes. They always put in a glue in here that you can use with your lashes, but I don't use those. That's gonna be in the giveaway because that's not the glue that I use with my lashes. So let's go ahead and start with the palette so we can have some colors on our eyes. This is our palette, you guys. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. This is from Rude Cosmetics. We received lashes from them last month, I believe. It was last month. This is the Sex on the Beach palette, and at the back you have all the colors right there. It's a cocktail party collection. Love the colors, you guys. I am so obsessed with these shades right now. So these are the shades in this palette, definitely up my alley. So we are gonna try the whole foxy eye trend right now, so definitely something simple. I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one to create the foxy eye wing. These are all the shades right here, you guys. They all swatch really good. I didn't have problems swatching it. I didn't have to dig my claws in the pan to get any pigment or pigment, so that's really nice when the palette is like that. But let's not judge the palette by just the swatches on the arms. We have to apply it to our lid for the final test to see if it's blendable, to see if the pigment is as good on the arm as it's on the lid. So I'm gonna clean this up, prep our lid with our Drug Cosmetics eye base, and we'll be ready to go. Now that we are primed and set, we are gonna take Hammered, the middle shade. So there are 3 mattes in here and the rest are shimmers. So we have our crease colors. So I'm gonna take Hammered, and that's gonna go on our crease, and we are gonna bring everything out. Definitely use a smaller brush than this, but try to kind of lift everything up. This is the same step that I do with my eyeshadow, so I don't think this is anything new with the whole foxy eyes. I think it's the same as like the cat eye look, but we're not gonna put too much shadows in here. So we open that lid right there. It's blending really nicely so far. Moving on to our second shade, we're gonna take Drunk, this one right here. You guys, this is one of my favorite shades. It's so pretty all over the lid with this, and you are done. So I'm gonna just apply that to my crease. I'm using a smaller brush so we can really be precise with it. And let's go ahead and start creating our cut eye. So bring everything up to our brows. We can blend later, but I just want to shape my cut eye first. I know I did this on my last video too. This is what I do. I like to bring my shadows up this way because that is lifting our eyes, and I have hooded lids, and that is one of the things that we like to do, is to lift everything on the corner. So it's definitely an easy thing for me to do, and then just blend it. Definitely use a smaller brush than this, because this is too big of a brush and it's just, especially right here, we can clean that up, but we're trying to keep it tight on this corner right here. Pretty shade. Now for that extra foxy-ish look, we are gonna take Loaded, the darkest one, and we are gonna apply that just on the outer part of our eyes. Just bring it out. So this is kind of like our wing, and then just kind of bring it in. Just to make it easier for you guys, use an angle brush like this to create that outer wing right here, because it just made it so much easier than the brush. With this one, you don't have to clean this one, but I'm going to, and you can really get into your lash line. I'm gonna take this brush right here and just smudge that. I don't really want a wing, but I just want it to be cut eye-ish. That makes sense? I'll have to fix this little cat eye, boxy eye thing we got going on in a minute when I put my eyelid tape, because it's not working right now. But I want to bring more light right here, so I'm going to take Smash, this one right here, and that's really going to open up this inner part right here. This is the final look on the eyes. On the bottom, I just used the two, which one is it? Drunk and Loaded. So this one and this one. And I did line my waterline with a black liner. I know my last video I said, you know, we're trying to open up our eyes, don't do that. But with this eye look, I wanted to kind of, you know, make this outer part right here to be a little smaller. So that's what I had in my head anyways, so I did that. Now we can move on to the lashes. So like I mentioned earlier, they do put a little lash glue in here, and we do have 4 lashes to try on today. If you've never seen my lash unboxing, I do show you guys the lashes. I try to explain to you how I see them, how I feel them, and you know, the style of the lashes, and then I try them on for you. So that's how I do it here on my channel. So we have 4 lashes to try on today, 2 from Lashybox. They do have their own lash line, and then 2 from Loha. It says shop Loha, that's their Instagram handle, so check them out. So we're gonna start with these lashes right here. This is cruelty free, lightweight, and reusable lashes. If you take care of them, you can use them a few times, you guys. And this is in the style A Peony for Your Thoughts. Oh, that is really cute. So it goes with the packaging, flowers. So I'm gonna show you guys up close what they look like. So these are 3D faux mink lashes. This is the type of lashes that I really like. Our first lashes has a short to long style. I really like this style, you guys. If you are going for the lift cat eye, foxy eye look, this is the lashes that you need to go for, because it flares out on the outer. The band looks really good, so you will get a good use out of these lashes if you take care of them. The first lashes, I always try it on with you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the inner part right here, because there is a piece that's hanging right there that's gonna hurt if you guys don't do that. And now to size it to our eyes without adding glue to it, just lay it down onto your lash line right there, and then you can see how much you need to take out. So I just like to cup it right here, that way I know how much to cut. And I always mention it on my videos, keep the end part of your lashes, so you know that if you mess up, you can always put this piece right here on the outer end, and then you will have your full lashes again. So just keep that in mind when you're cutting your lashes. Don't just discard that piece. So now that my lashes is ready to go, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of bend it a little bit. I'm gonna apply my favorite glue, which is the duo glue. I prepped my lashes already. I applied some mascara. I tight lined already. I use this lash applicator right here. Just look down in your mirror. Adjust it to your eye. And this thing right here, I use this to clump my lashes together. my real and the faux lashes. Give them a little lift like that, and that's it. I always show you guys before I put on the other side so you can see the big difference of having a false lashes. This style right here, you guys, I love. I do love different style, but this definitely complements my eyes because I do love that lifted look. I like to kind of, you know, make sure that I bring this corner down and give this area right here a little lift just to give me that lifted look. I really love this style. It's so easy to work with. You guys saw it. It was easy to put on the eyes, and the lashes itself is really soft. The band is bendable, so we like that very, very much. This lash right here complements my eyes so well, and it goes great with the look that we're going for. We're looking for that lifted foxy eye look. If that's the look you're going for, this is the lashes for you. That lashes was super fun to try on. Now we're moving on to another Loha lashes. This is another 3D Faux Mink false eyelashes, and this is Rose All Day. So this is the style that we have. This is our second pair, you guys. This one, it looks very natural. They are a bit shorter than the first one. This lashes right here has a short, long, but it does flare out at the ends. I think this is going to be a more natural lashes, so if you are just beginning to kind of venture out on your lashes, this is a good pair to start with. So the band is the same as the first one. You definitely gonna get a lot of use out of these lashes if you take care of them. I feel like if my lashes holds curls, this is how long it is. It's not as thick as this lashes, but I think, you know, if my real lashes holds curls, this is gonna be how long it is. But I like that it gives my lashes a bit of thickness. It was easy to put on, no problem. Like the first one, the band is really good, it's bendable. That's all we're looking for with lashes. So what do you think about this one? Is this your lashes? I feel like the length is like my own lashes. This is definitely something good to have in your collection. So on the days that I don't want to wear lashes that are too long in length, then this is something that I can definitely that I can definitely reach for. Moving on to the two pairs of Lashybox lashes, we have Poppin and Wink. So this is the packaging. It looks just like the box that we received. So let's see which one I'm gonna try first and which one's gonna be our ending lashes. They are both so gorgeous, you guys. I don't even know. We're just gonna start with Wink. This is the packaging. Just want to show you guys, this is a 3D Faux Mink lashes. This is the type that I like because they are fluffy and wispy. This is Wink right here. So this is a 3D Faux Mink lashes. We have a short to long style again, and you have short lashes in between. It's a pretty thick lashes. The band is pretty good. It has a good thickness to it, so you will get a lot of use out of this. So this is in the style Wink. What do you guys think about this one? I always ask your opinion, you guys, because I do value them, so let me know. I like all the styles that I get, you guys. I think there's few ones that I didn't like in the past, but so far most of the styles that they put in my box I really enjoy. I just want to point out real quick that the band on this one is a bit thicker than the first two lashes that I tried for you guys, but both of the bands I should say, are bendable and they are easy to work with, but they are a bit different on the band. The first one was a little thinner than the Lashybox lashes. I just want to give you that information if that is something that is important to you. This is our last pair right here. This one is pretty interesting because I don't think I have a lash like this that I remember anyway. So this has two short ends and it's just long in the middle, and then you do have short hairs in between the hairs. But with this ones, I know it's gonna be too long for my eyes, so I will have to cut one end, so it's gonna be short to long style anyways. But I love the pattern on this one. You do have a little crisscross pattern on the hair, so it gives you different flares on the eyes. The band on this is as thick as the first one and definitely thicker than the first two lashes that I've tried on. Like I said, you guys, I had to cut this one, so it is now from short to long style. This is how much I had to cut on this one, and I also angled it up this way, so it gives me that cat eye foxy eye look. So it's not sitting on my lash line. It's kind of sitting up on my skin. You know, I'm trying to get that lashes to kind of go up a little bit more, but this is where I'm at with these lashes. I am in love with this pair as well. So no letdown with all the lashes in this month's box, you guys. I'm really happy with all my lashes. Keep on coming, Lashybox. So this one is Poppin. So it's definitely Poppin because I feel Poppin right now. Is that even a word? Am I too old to be using words like that? But really pretty. So you guys, this is the last pair. What do you think about this one? I can't really tell you which one is my favorite because they all look good on me. It was easy to put on every single one of them, and all of the lash band, all of the hairs, they are all up to my standards, so can't really pick one that I like. I can see me using every single one of them on different looks, so you definitely will see them in my future looks. So I tried to achieve that whole foxy eye thing. I don't think I did. I even tried that little inner corner thing that it's really impossible for people that have a lot of folded things right here. So I did my own thing. Hopefully it turned out okay. So what do you guys think about this last pair? Let me know. On the cards, let me know which one is your favorite pair. I do this on every single unboxing. I list all of the lashes and just pick one that is your favorite. And then on the comment section, let me know which one pair is the best looking on me. I don't think I can pick one, so you can pick one for me. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you are interested in the subscription. I will link them in the description below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Everything that I said, showed you guys, everything that on my face is going to be in the description below. Thank you guys for watching, and like always, I will catch you on my next one. Bye guys!